Hey everyone, welcome back to Mindful Mondays. This is Dr. Alex Perugini. I'm one of the staff psychologists at Towson University's Counseling Center. Today I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about how to create your own personalized self-care plan. It's so important to take care of yourself. This can be really difficult to do when you have a lot of unstructured time on your hands. Creating a self-care plan involves a lot more than just choosing activities that you enjoy doing. It requires you to really sit down and think intentionally about what's going to be helpful for you and also try to predict what might get in the way of achieving your goals. This ensures that we're successful in maintaining our self-care. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a look at the ways that you're already coping. Take some time to sit down and examine your current habits. How do you deal with life's demands? Are you able to identify when you need a break? Do you engage in any positive coping strategies already? What about unhealthy ones? Next, conduct a needs assessment. No two people have the same self-care needs. Consider each of these areas of well-being: emotional, physical, spiritual, professional, social, and psychological. What activities do you already have in place for each of these areas? What would you like to add? Are there some areas that don't feel as nourished or attended to? Remember, some of these areas may be more meaningful to some people than they are to others. It is vital that you focus on your own needs and values. Now that you've determined what your needs are, it's time to identify any barriers you may have to enacting your plan. Barriers might look differently from person to person. Take some time to explore your beliefs about self-care. Some people view self-care as selfish or expensive. Some people might not believe in themselves to accomplish their goals or to take time out for themselves. Reflect on what has gotten in the way of your self-care in the past. Was it lack of discipline, low motivation or energy, poor time management? Now think, do you have any barriers to maintaining your self-care? Are there things that you can prioritize or cut out that might be getting in your way? Addressing barriers before they can become a problem can be helpful in being proactive with your self-care. Once you've gone through these steps, you're ready to create your self-care plan. Keep this plan at home, in your planner, or on your phone for easy access. Good luck, and thanks for tuning in to Mindful Mondays.